Hi guys, welcome back with me again on this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add a rainbow flash effect to your videos on Funimate. So here I've already imported a clip to my Funimate apps, and to easily add a rainbow flash effect, you just need to swipe through the menu at the bottom until you find the color option. And in here you just need to swipe through this color to apply what colors of rainbow that you want to create a flash effect. So here I'm going to just swipe it to the right and left like this. Okay, you can do this for the entire clips. Just choose the color that you want. Okay, you can see now it has been applied to all of my clips. You can just go back, and here is the final result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.